So for this one, it's going to be on the left hand, which is 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this one will be 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So now you can slow it down if it becomes a problem to understand. So how to merge both of them together is what you need to understand. So for this one and this two, they are equal. And why this one and this two are equal? So what you want to do is this first one, you know, is equal to these two. So it means left has to come first before right. So it should be 1. Then why this one should be 2. All right. So remember, this is left, right, then both right. So left, right, both right. Left, right, both. So basically, it's left, right, both right. So left, right, both right. Left, right, both right. Left, right, both right. Left, right, both right. So if it's too hard, take it slow. Take it slow and get used to the rhythm first. So left, right, both right. Left, right, both right. Left, right, both right. Left, right, both right. So if we try that again, so let's put the metronome. If it's too fast, it should be so you understand? So if it's really fast, then you want to take it slow, right? Bring the tempo down so that you can get used to it and be able to meet up with that. So make sure you follow, make sure you subscribe, and also tap on your screen like this if you're finding value in this. So let's take the tempo down to 70. Initially it was on 80, so let's bring it down to 70. So so let's have so try it out, try it. So let me know if you don't understand. So try it out. It is left, right, both right. So make sure the time is consistent. So you're doing left, right, both right. Left, right, both right. Left, right, both right. So I mean both means both hands. So let's see how that is going to feel if we try to play that on the keyboard. So remember, it should be left, right, then both right. So pa 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 You understand? So let's play that with a metronome. So